Today I'm going to be talking about a better way to sew your twisted headbands. First, you're going to start out by making the twist in the headband. If you need help doing this, I've linked a video below to show you how to make a twisted headband. So we'd start out usually by sewing across here, but we're not going to do that today. Today I'm going to show you a new method. Basically, to make a better twist, you would sew in a half circle across the top, like this. So here we go. We're going to sew that half circle across where the seam's going. There you go, a really nice curved seam. Here's the original seam straight across. We don't want to do that. Straight line means more bulky twist. This is okay, and it still makes a beautiful headband, but then you get these weird things poking out the sides. Making the seam curved leaves for less bulk in the corners, which is why the twist is so much prettier looking. And there you have it. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing all of my tips and tricks for sewing and running a small business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great time sewing.